Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Audacity to clean up audio. Cleaning up audio in Audacity helps improve sound quality by reducing noise and enhancing the clarity. It is commonly used for voice recordings, podcasts, and voiceovers. This guide will walk you through how to clean up audio using Audacity on a Windows computer. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and open Audacity. Click File, click Open, then find the audio file. Click on it, then hit Open to import your audio file. To select the portion of the audio with the background noise only by moving your cursor to the start of the portion, then click and hold and move the cursor to the end of the portion you want. Then click Effect, click Noise Removal. Go to Noise Removal, choose Noise Reduction. Click Get Noise Profile to close the window. Press Ctrl plus A to select the entire audio track. Go back to Effect, Noise Reduction again, adjust settings like Noise Reduction, dB, sensitivity, and frequency smoothing if needed. Click Preview to hear the changes. Click OK to apply the noise reduction. Play the audio to check the result and repeat if necessary. Click File, Export Audio to save your cleaned audio file. Tip: apply effects gradually and preview often to avoid overprocessing your audio. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.